Simple stir fry that is healthy and absolutely delicious. Hey guys, Landon here. Let's do it. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. That's all there is, just adding, and stirring. The only thing I would add is that you can substitute any vegetables for those that you like, but keep in mind that stir fry does best with crunchy vegetables that handle heat well. Now, chicken breast is not the best choice when preheated. It becomes tougher. If that's a problem for you when doing meal prepping, you can sub chicken breast with chicken thighs. They stay tender better. Alright friends, help out my tiny channel by doing this if you can. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day, okay? Bye bye.